Hey there everyone, welcome to Tech. Today we have something really special lined up for you all. Today we will be unboxing this Dell Optical M116 wired mouse. And then we will also talk about what makes this mouse so special. So stick around because we are about to explore all the reasons that make this mouse must have for your setup. First up, we have got this brand which kind of gives you a sense of quality and reliability. And not only I am just saying it, but I would say this comes with this 3 years of warranty from Dell, which is really awesome guys, because this mouse is going to cost you around 300 INR. Alright, let's get straight into unboxing this beauty and let's take a closer look why this mouse still is better than other. So let me quickly unbox it. And unboxing is pretty easy guys. We just need to open the seal and there we go. This is straightforward, I would say. Comes with no fancy gizmo. Here I would say inside this box is safety, environment and regulatory information, not how to use guide, which is pretty understandable. And here we go. So this is our mouse, and if I talk about the cable, which I would say is pretty long, and then I can also see the quality of this cable, which is quite decent, and even the quality of mouse that I am already aware of pretty decent. And the reason what make this mouse one of the most preferred one is because of its ergonomic. If we talk about its size, then here we can say it is slightly larger than average mouse that comes at this cost. Here we can see we do not need to bend our fingers, which is gonna give you more comfort when we are using this mouse in prolonged duration. Now if we talk about hardware compatibility or OS support, then I would say this is typical mouse and should support any OS or platform. It will perfectly fine whether you are using Linux, Mac or Windows. It also doesn't care whether you are using a desktop variant or a laptop PC. So there you have it folks, the Dell Optical Wired Mouse MS116 not only delivers the exceptional performance and comfort, but also comes with added assurance of 3 years warranty period. And if you are thinking of buying something which is not that fancy but need to be reliable and have a good ergonomic, then this is really a working horse that you can rely on. And that's why this mouse always remain in high preference in office and commercial spaces. I also have kept buying link in the description of this video, and if you like this video and would like to appreciate this channel or the effort we have made, then please consider buying from that link, because that will help us to grow without changing the price that you need to pay. So that is win-win situation for both of us and will help us to bring these kind of unbiased video for you guys. And that's all guys from my side in this video. I hope that you find this video helpful and informational. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Tech for more tech content. See you guys in next video. Till then, take care and bye-bye.